Hey, what's up? It's the Crypto Coach, Blockchain Wayne. This video, I'm going to show you how to set up the NWC Wallet. Now, right now, at the time of this recording, the NWC Wallet is in Android phones on the Google Play Store. Now, when it's available on the App Store for iPhones, I'll update the video, show you how to do that as well. But it's going to be a very similar process. Now, keep in mind also, this is version 1.0. This wallet is going to constantly evolve and adapt over time, but it's a great place to have a mobile wallet to download and save your NewsCrypto NWC coins too. So let me go on and show you how to do it, starting at the Google Play Store. So as you can see here, you click open once you download it. You can either create new wallet or import. To create a new wallet, you have to activate it 1.22 NWC. That is what creates the account. That's very typical for most cryptocurrency wallets. And you can go from there. You copy your address, copy your memo. Now, if you wanted to import it, you can import your secret key here. So say you had a wallet already, you can save it and restore it from here. You want to save your secret key just in case you ever need to restore it. So let's go back to activate. And as you can see here, my address, the memo to copy, I will paste those into the wallet I'm sending it from, whether it's you're sending it from NewsCrypto website, from KuCoin, or from a Solar wallet, and send it here. So I've copied both. Take a second and it's going to show. I'm waiting for it to show up. And then I hit create wallet now that I've already sent some coins to it. And you're going to see it pop up here. Send 1,000 as a test just to show that it works, how it works, and also to point out what that 1.22 NWC. Set up a PIN code. I'm not going to show you what that is, but create your PIN code. And here, you see 998.78. It's very important. Now, 1.22 is part of wallet creation. So the remaining amount is currently in. It'll show me current value. It'll show me, how much is received. I can use my PIN to see the balance. I can change my PIN and show my secret key if I need to restore my wallet. I can send and receive from here if I want to receive. That's the address I send people to now send me NWC coins. And if I want to send, that's how I would send. Very simple, very easy to use wallet. It's just something to show you what is available. And it's exciting to see. You're going to see in future releases, future updates, you're going to see staking on the wallet. I'm sure there's a whole host of other features that NWC and NewsCrypto is going to release as time goes on, but that's very easy to set up. Now it's important. Most important part of all of that, your PIN code, don't share it with anybody, and your secret key, copy that, save it somewhere. Don't save it to a notepad on your phone. Don't save it to the notepad on your computer or to a Word document. Save it somewhere secure. Myself, I have a notebook in a safe, and also have a hard drive that is not connected to the internet. I only connect that hard drive when I need to access what's on it. So if I ever forget my PIN code, phone gets lost, I need to restore that wallet, I can use that secret key to restore that wallet on another device. So that's it for the NWC wallet. Exciting things to come as they evolve and develop this app. But make sure if you already have an Android phone, get it on the Google Play Store, and iPhone, the App Store will be released. We'll make an announcement as soon as that's released. So that's it. Have a great day. See you in the next video.